Welcome home. Enjoy easy living in this low-maintenance 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located in the gated villas of Seven Springs community. This privately tucked away unit features its own entrance with a covered front porch. Step inside to an open floor plan showcasing new blonde laminate flooring throughout. The cozy living room includes a gas fireplace flanked by 2 windows that fill the space with natural light and offers an open view to the dining area and kitchen. An office or sunroom features 2 walls of windows, allowing you to enjoy the beauty of every season while remaining comfortable indoors. The hall bathroom is conveniently accessible from both the common area and the 2nd bedroom. The kitchen offers stained cabinets, granite countertops, and a tiled backsplash. A pantry and laundry area are located near the door to the garage, making unloading groceries and managing laundry a breeze. The spacious primary bedroom features a tray ceiling and a large triple window with a center arch. The split primary bathroom includes a long marble countertop with single bowl sink, a large mirror, walk-in closet access, and a double shower. The double garage features an insulated